In today's video, we are going to show you how to find and use templates on Milanote so you can organize your ideas faster and more efficiently. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials, and I want you to make sure that you are on the home page. Once you are on the home page, go to the left side area of the navigation and click the board. You can simply drag and drop it on the panel here. If you do, you can simply rename it and then now double click on the new board. And as you can see, there is a small pop-up window that says you can choose a template. Okay, so here you can choose an empty board, a film shot list, but however, this is part of the subscription plan. And you can also choose the film pre-production, film storyboard, and a lot more. But if you wanted to search for more, click the more templates. Okay? You have agencies, architecture, there's so much more. Okay? But if you wanted to search, you can use the search template. For example, let's say YouTube video, since we are a YouTube channel. While at it, if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications on our latest content. So I'm going to choose this template, click that, and click the use template. It's super simple, right? Now, if you found a template that you love, save them as your favorites. This way you can access them quickly in the future without having to search all over again. And basically, that's how you find and use templates in Milanote. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.